Well, we could go home now. Everything's been said. But I do want to bring up a couple of points real quick before we move on with the rest of the program. Often we hear that Roe v. Wade is the law of the land and that we need to just go home and get over it. And we are here declaring Roe v. Wade is not the law of the land. Because Roe v. Wade is not law. The Supreme Court does not have the authority or jurisdiction to create law. All they can do is merely offer an opinion on law and a judgment on the particulars of a case. They do not make law. And the Supreme Court even acknowledges this. They have said, the Supreme Court has said, all laws which are repugnant to the Constitution are null and void. And we aren't even talking about a law. Furthermore, the Supreme Court said, their own words, an unconstitutional act is not law. It confers no rights.
Yes.
It imposes no duties. It affords no protection. It creates no office. It, in legal contemplation, is inoperative as though it had never been passed. You do not have the constitutional right to murder anybody. So we don't need to comply with Roe. We need to ignore Roe. Even if it was law, I submit to you that we still have a duty. We have a moral obligation to stand in defiance and to interpose on those that suffering under unjust, immoral laws. The men that were here today, the representatives, those men are interposing. Those men are doing their part. We need to do ours. They cannot stand alone. The reason we have the situation that we have, the reason that tyranny exists, is because of the apathy and ignorance of the people. And I say we are no longer going to be apathetic to the murder of unborn children, and we are no longer going to be ignorant to the laws of our land. It is time for us to support those men, those representatives that have put it on the line. But guys, they can't do it alone. And we can't do it alone. We have to have you. You have to join in the fight. I love what so many of you are doing, so many different things, going to clinics, going to street corners, going to schools and preaching the message that we will no longer allow this wickedness to exist in our land with a silence. If it's going to exist, it will be in defiance of the Church of Jesus Christ. But we have to do more. You have to join in the fight with us. I cannot tell you how important it is that you join in the fight with us as we support these men, as we continue to push this. If you haven't done so already, please sign the petition that's been going around. It's the Abolish Abortion petition. We are going to get all of the signatures we can today, and we are going to go into the office of senators, and we are going to say, you have said that your people do not support this. Here is a stack of hundreds and hundreds of Texans that do support abolishing abortion in the state of Texas. You are without excuse. We need your help with this, so I encourage you, join in the fight. Sign that petition. Also, go to Abolish Abortion TX, enlist in there. Follow updates on how you can continue to help us join in this fight. Guys, it's going to take a long time. It's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take all of us, and it's going to take the Lord bringing this evil. Amen. But we will not stop until He does. We will not stop praying until it happens, and we will not stop working until this comes to an end. Now is the time. This is the generation that will bring this evil to an end.